Imagine the year 2030, where artificial intelligence has become an integral part of our lives. But have you ever thought about how AI could revolutionize your income streams? Picture this: AI is not just a futuristic concept. It's a reality that's transforming industries across the board. From healthcare to finance, manufacturing to retail, AI's influence is ubiquitous. It's streamlining processes, optimizing workflows, and boosting productivity like never before. The future is here, and it's powered by artificial intelligence. So how can you leverage this to build your own AI empire? Building an AI empire might seem daunting, but every journey begins with a single step. To get started, education and training in AI technologies are crucial. It's like learning a new language. Only this time, the language is the future. As you immerse yourself in AI knowledge, you'll begin to see the vast opportunities that lie ahead. AI automation is one such opportunity that's transforming the way we work. It's not about replacing humans, but enhancing our capabilities. Imagine streamlining and accelerating processes that once took hours, or even days. Picture an optimized workflow, where everything runs like a well-oiled machine, boosting productivity to new heights. But remember, it's not just about the technology. AI is a tool, and like any tool, its effectiveness depends on the skill of the craftsman. That's where your training comes in, equipping you with the knowledge to harness the power of AI and turn it into a viable income stream. The possibilities are endless. From AI-powered virtual assistants to AI-driven content generation and beyond. Every sector, from healthcare and finance, to manufacturing and retail, is ripe for AI integration. With the right knowledge and tools, you can take the first steps in building your AI empire. As you continue your AI journey, there's potential for exponential growth. Imagine, if you will, a world where artificial intelligence is not just a tool, but a driving force that transforms entire sectors, including content and commerce. Already, AI's influence is palpable. It's predicted that AI tools will soon generate 30% of outbound messages from large organizations. And it's not just about communication, it's about creation too. An estimated 10% of Fortune 500 companies are now harnessing the power of AI to generate content. That's right, AI is not just assisting, it's creating. So what does this mean for you? For starters, it's a gateway to untapped income streams. As AI continues to revolutionize industries, opportunities for profit will only multiply. From developing AI tools to managing AI processes, the potential for income growth is vast. But remember, the path to becoming an AI millionaire is not just about cashing in on the AI boom. It's about understanding the technology, leveraging its potential, and innovating for the future. It's about embracing change, staying ahead of the curve, and continuously learning. The road to a millionaire might not be easy, but with AI, it's more possible than ever. Think of the thrilling opportunities that lie ahead, the chance to be at the forefront of innovation. It's not just about the potential financial benefits, but also about contributing to a future where AI is the norm. So, why not take the leap? Embrace the exciting world of AI, and start building your own empire. Start building your AI empire today.